New York Jets are going to the Super Bowl in 2026. What's up? I'm Gears to Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep, and apparently I have a good sense of humor. Don't count on what I said happening coming true next year. Out here on a freshly paved Route 17A in Warwick, New York. It's one of my favorite rides as well. Swings you up around, you come down into Greenwood Lake, New York. It's great scenery. I'm with Lever, Nico, and the man himself, Ray. Lucked out, and we've been riding all year. I think March to November now. We'll push through to December. We have snow pins. The minute it hits 30s, that's it for a lot of us. What, they just forget to pave this spot? Like I said, this is one of the nicer roads in Warwick, 17A, that, you know, you're not going anywhere near Pine Island, but a lot of curves, a lot of inclines, declines. It's a nice ride all year round. Pavement ahead. Why don't you just call it ribbed for your pleasure? I absolutely despise this kind of nonsense. Oh look, there's a nice little patch. Don't mind if I do. Guys looking forward to the holidays. I used to get psyched, you know, I watch my niece and nephew open presents and they get all excited. Now they're getting older, you know. Kind of sucks. That was like my, you know, you kind of hold on to your childhood through your family, and it was really cool to see them young and just excited like it was the best day of the year. And, you know, they don't know the pain and suffering of the Sears catalog. That's right. Remember that Sears catalog? You'd get it, you'd pick stuff out, and then magically Santa's little elves would make the stuff from the Sears catalog, and it'd show up months later. Now these kids, they got their internets and the Twitter and the MySpace, and, you know, yeah, it's wild. I think the only thing cool about growing up is well, at some point after working a long time, you get to retire and stay home and do nothing like you did growing up until you had to get a part-time job and start down the slippery slope of work-related stress taking years off your life. But that's what we ride motorcycles for, right? The camaraderie, the scenery, the tacos, the burritos, the sangria soda. I gotta tell you, it's pretty damn close for something that has no alcohol in it. It's wild. Mount Peter. There she blows. Ski ride tube. Bing, bang, boom. that's the best time, mid-fall to early winter, when you can hang outside and have a fireplace, or you have a fire going in your house, you know, and get yourself some chicken wings, maybe a nice bottle of Chianti, or a 40 oldie 800, you know, really live it up. As you can tell, I'm quite the romantic. You know, you gotta treat these ladies right, you know. I mean, come on, it comes in a friggin' bottle with a basket around it. Doesn't get much more high class than that, no? We'll be entering that time of year after next month, once we get some warm days through into January. That I call the quarterly depression. It's where I start getting deep into video games and catching up on TV shows I missed during the year because I can't ride my motorcycle. Speaking of which, Big Sheila's going next year. Like I said, unfortunately the riding position's giving me some knee issues. Not the bike's fault. Not Harley's fault. I've said I've got two on my mind. A BMW K1600B, and if I can get it left over at a good price, sold. If not, I'm going to do the Honda Goldwing, not the Tour. Manual transmission. And again, like I said, it's such a shame. This bike is a hell of a lot of fun. And then I'll say it again, when this motor goes in a bagger, things are going to change. People are going to get on I should say people are going to get put on notice. Imagine a bagger, right? 150 horsepower, 130 at the rear wheel. Decent amount of torque. When I mean decent, I mean really good. This thing is just gonna decimate the bagger market. You know, and of course the purists are gonna fight like hell, but you have to deal with emission standards, a whole bunch of other things. The day is gonna come. Now, I won't tell you, the Milwaukee 8 is a very good motor. It's a lot of fun, especially that 117, man. I had my lowrider ST, very happy with that. Never wanted to do anything else, you know, I didn't exhaust. But, you know, everything changes. And my opinion only, I think it's going to be a good change. I think it'll take some getting used to, and just like any other thing, the first model they come out with, it's going to have issues, and it's going to take a couple of years to fix it, and you know, that's the price you pay for anything you buy first, second year. Cars, motorcycles, lots of other stuff. But you mark my words, they put this 1250 in a bagger with these specs, nobody touching Harley. Nobody. Whether you can get parts for it is a totally different story. Spent all that money for LED directionals. You don't use them. You slut. Yeah, you can see the leaves are still changing on the mountain here. Still on the New York side of Greenwood Lake. be in Jersey in a couple minutes. This is a really nice area, man. Greenwood Lake, I think they said it's like 8 or 9 miles long. Not too sure how deep it is. People out on the lake today. I don't think the helm is open anymore, man. That was a cool place. What's up, little buddy? Yeah, some videos to, I don't know, wind down 2025. So I kind of envy people that live in certain parts of North Carolina. You know, you get your winter over with. It's like a month and a half. You're getting 70-degree days in like February, March. But friends, this is that part of the video where I have to bid you farewell. You're starting to shift into videos coming out one time a week. That'll be Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. As always, I thank you guys for giving up your free time to watch my videos, regardless of how long you stay. And if you'd be so kind to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. And everybody that is giving my videos a thumbs up and leaving a comment, thank you guys so much. I found so many cool YouTube channels from people liking my videos, giving the thumbs up. I click on theirs. I'm going to start dropping names of channels in my videos because there's so many cool channels, and I kind of think it's the least I can do. Thanks again for coming along with the ride, friends. I'll catch you on the next one.